Hi, I'm Rebecca Melone with Melone Hatley PC. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about custody and some of the common issues that come up in custody cases. In Virginia, there's no set firm rule in place about who gets custody. Both parents by default have an equal right to the child. What the court has to do is make a determination of what custody arrangement is going to be in the best interest of the child. Any best interest of the child standard is going to have a number of elements to it. Some of those elements include the age and health and condition of the child, the age and condition of each parent, the relationship between each parent and the child's needs, the child's development, and other factors that are all going to be really specific to your individual case. In determining custody, the court has to make an award both about physical as well as legal custody. Physical custody has to do with where the child lives the majority of the time. So a parent who has primary physical custody of the child is probably also going to control the school registration, for example. That's where the child is going to live for the majority of the year. The other parent would still have visitation. Now, if the visiting parent has over 90 overnights with the child per year, that's what's called a shared custody arrangement in Virginia. Again, this is only about physical custody and where the child lives the majority of the time. When it comes to legal custody, there's always a presumption for joint legal custody. What that means is both parents have an equal say in important decisions that impact the child. So that includes health, education, welfare, whether there's going to be any medical treatment, whether there's going to be school decisions, whether the child's going to advance a grade or be held back a grade. All of those things need to be made on a 50-50 basis. In some situations, 50-50 is simply not possible. Where there's a history of abuse or history of severe issues between the parents and a complete inability to work together, another arrangement may be necessary. And that may be sole legal custody, or one parent might get final decision-making authority, which essentially gives them a 51% or a tiebreaker in the custody arrangement. Whatever custody arrangement you have or are looking to have, you need to get some advice that is going to be tailored to your situation. No two cases are going to be the same. Even really similar factual situations can have extremely different outcomes when it comes to court. Going into court and understanding your situation, what the judge is going to be looking for, and any recommendations from professionals or guardians ad litem is all going to be essential in determining what you need to do in your case. Our attorneys are here to help you, advise you, and guide you at every step of your custody case. Give us a call. We're here to help.